How can you sell your loans on Robocash? Watch this short tutorial to find out. So how do I sell loans? Go to the My Investments page and set up the filters. This is handy if you want to sell loans from a certain lender or term. Select the loans you want to sell, click on the Sell button at the bottom of the page and confirm the sale. That's it, the loans are put up for sale. The loans are sold at par, that is, for their nominal value. When the loan is sold, you will get the money and the interest for the whole time you have owned it, including the time when it was on sale. Our statistics show that loans on Robocash secondary market are sold within a few days. How do I track or cancel a sale? Loans that are up for sale get an on-sale status and a red cross on the left. To view these loans, you need to filter by on-sale status on the My Investments page. When the loan is purchased by another investor, its status changes to sold. You can see the profit in your account statement. You can cancel the sale by clicking on the cross on the left, as long as it has not been repurchased yet. Remember that you will have to cancel the sale separately for each loan. This is how the Robocash secondary market works. If you want to find out more information and different nuances, make sure to follow the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for handy tips on investment.